Let's learn Nilufer Yana's version of Hey. It's got 4 chords. There's just playing them different ways. In the beginning, she plays fingerstyle, and she also does these kind of percussive hits. It's very like R&B. But I don't play that way, so I'm just kind of finger picking it. Then that's just a G bass note or a G power chord, and then hitting the higher strings. That's G, just a regular G chord. Then we go to F sharp minor, do the same thing. It's at the fret 2. It is minor. We go to fret 7, play B minor. These are the positions I see her using. I think there's a video on something called NST, and they have real good video of her playing this. And then the final chord is D major. And then, like, towards the second part of the song, she starts playing more jazzy or R&B chords. So, G major 7. She plays this at the 15th fret. That's just the same as the G major 7 down here. And then it goes to F minor 7. A lot of people play it like this. Mute the A string. Might be easier for you to play it that way. B minor 7. Or playing the whole chord. I would use my neck pickup. That's the jazzy pickup. And then D major 7. You can get B minor 7 at the 2nd fret. D major 7 at the 5th. And she's mixing it up. She's using different shapes and positions. And then you can play the solo like B minor, or you could use D major. Okay. Thanks for that request. I hope this helps you. Bye.